Many beginners do not know how to use different order types, and those ones who have been trading for quite a short period of time do not actually know how to use different order types. So in today's video, I'm going to cover 5 types of order types that you can use while placing trades in Forex trading. And I'm here using MT5 platform. That is what I'm using, MT5 platform. You can see it is here. So when you go to MT5, it will open, and this is the chart. I'm on boom 1K, and let me just go here. You have to place on this button, rather this icon of trade. You click there, so it will take you to another option, which is here, the sidebar right here. Okay, so let me click there. So once you reach here, you are going to see this market execution. Okay, I think it is the same case with the MT4. So you click on market execution, and I'm going to cover actually these 5: market execution, buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop. I won't cover these ones because ever since I started Forex trading, I have never used them. So let me focus on these ones, and I think that's what most of the traders use. Okay, so let me begin with the market execution. So with market execution, that is instant execution, where you place a buy or sell at the current market price. So I'll be explaining while I'm practically showing you how it works. Since I'm on a demo account of virtual funds, it will be easier for me to illustrate without any negative effect or harm to my account. Alright, so let me go to market execution, which means instant, and let me change the lot size to the smallest one, 0.5. Currently volatility 75 1s has been changed. So from there then I will go to the chart. I'll use this arrow to go back. So after here, I'll click on chart, this one, right? So I'll go to this one. You know, this chart of MT5 on deriv has been changed, so I'll click there. If it is on MT4, you will be clicking on something like this one. On MT4, you will click on something like this. But this is for this sign for it is for indicators. But on MT4, you will see it somewhere like here, somewhere like around here. But on MT5 deriv, let's go here. Okay, so I'll go out to look for, maybe this is the asset I want to trade. And moreover, you can see I have used different sell limits, and I will explain that one when I reach there. But if I want to buy, rather to sell this market, for example, like you can see, it is almost selling, or that is, the trend is not yet confirmed, but I want to sell instantly where the current market is. You can see the current market is here. This is where the current market is. Those things, the bid and ask price, those things which are moving, those figures which are moving, it means that is where the market is exactly. So if I want to place a buy or sell instantly, that's where I will have entered in. So let me press a sell, since I'm expecting price is likely to continue dropping. So to do that, I'll hit on trade. Then I go to here, as I told you, on the left side, rather on the right top right corner. Then I'll click immediately. I'll click on this one, this button, sell by market. Sell by market. Done. You can see. So I have entered. All right. So that's what we mean by instant market execution. So let me close it. You hold. Then you click on close. Let me close it. I close it. Done. Okay, so let me show you another one. I assuming I want to buy. Let me maybe still look at buying market. Okay, let me just buy this one, although it is facing some resistance around here. but let me just buy it just for the illustration purpose by instant market execution. So what I do, I'll go back to here to trade, right? Go back here to the corner, top right corner, then you click on buy immediately. So let me do it. You can see I have bought. So once you come here, you can see what we have done. It's here, reflected here. All right, let me close it again. Hold and close, then you press on close position, right? I think that type 1 is well understood. So let's go to type 2. So type 2, let me also get back here. So type 2 is buy limits. So buy limit means you want to buy such an asset at a cheaper price because price has, for example, gone past where you wanted to enter from. So you want to enter into the market at a cheaper price, lower than that. Let me illustrate what I'm meaning. Okay, so what you do, let me again go back to this arrow, click on chart to access the chart here. So after accessing the chart, I want to use the buy limit. So let me change this one maybe to 15 minutes time frame. So assuming I want to enter at the market, I want to buy this time. Buy limit is used when you want to buy the market. So I'm assuming, let me use this one since the deliver changed the MT5. This is what I'm going to use. Okay. I'm going to bring this one. Are you seeing this one? It is showing buy limits. Okay, why? Because I am below. Price has already exceeded. It is above my entry. So a buy limit, you want to enter below the current market price. That is what I'm calling entering at a cheaper price. So when I move this line above, it will no longer be a buy limit, but rather a sell limit. Let me show you. Can you see? It has changed to red. So this figure you are seeing here is just the lot size, but you can see that in the sell limit. So, okay, let me bring it down here. So if I want to put it here, I'm expecting price will reach here. Once it reaches here, it will automatically activate itself. Then I'll be in the market. Then the stop loss will be below this entry. So if you can see MT5 on deriv, it was designed in a way that you can use these lines, right, this box to place your entry, your stop loss, and take profit. SL means stop loss, TP means take profit. Okay, so if I want to take rather to put there a stop loss, which is a risk management measure, I hope for beginner, I'm just explaining all this in deeply for beginners. Advanced traders, you can jump this because I know you know this, but for beginner, this is how we do it. So you click on this red SL. So once I click there, it will generate another line. Okay, so which means it must be below the entry price. My entry price, which is really not yet triggered, it is at 70. Sorry, excuse me, let me begin again fresh. It is here. Let me put it here at 70. Okay, 77, then stop loss here. Okay, so what I'm meaning is this one. This is the 70. I'm talking about the entry. Then the stop loss is 70, 67. 70, 67.390. Okay, so and the take profit can be this one. You click on TP. This one, TP. You see, so TP, it means if price reaches here, exit the market. You are commanding MT5 or deriv, the broker, when price reaches there, exit. So once I have already set this one, I can go to this arrow, this one. I click there, You can see everything I have set. It is here, it is here, the entry is here. This is the stop loss, this is the take profit. So after that, I'll click on this word place. It is pressed. So what are we waiting for? The moment price reaches there, it will activate itself. And as you can see, price is already there, but it has not yet activated. Why? Let's go to M1 and you see. It's only that Deliv is the best when it comes to spreads, the difference between bid and ask price. But if I show you here on M1, which is 1 minute time frame, as I told you, I explained about the bid and ask price. You can watch that video in the playlist. You will find it there. Only when this red line reaches my entry is when the order or my entry will be triggered. Why? Because that red line is the sell, rather it is the how much Deliv as the broker is selling me. Okay, these things are automatic. Brokers, we buy from them, at the same time they sell to us. That is the idea behind. So once the red reaches there, you will see it is already activated, and I can already see it. The red has reached there. So what you can do to check if what I'm saying is real, you go back to trade and you see what you pressed. It is which asset? It is volatility 10. This is the asset, volatility 10. We were buying, we had used a buy limit. So let me check volatility 10. Where are we? Oh, you can see. Okay, and once price is above, because I was buying, I'll be in the blues. Once it goes down, the entry past my entry, it will be negative. So you can see. Okay, so let's get back to H1. We can see it is above and we are in blue. I hope that is clearly understood. Let me close it. And to close, as I told you, hold, place, close position. Okay, and I'll close that one. I was just illustrating why I'm not closing these ones. They are my running trades. I intend they are my running trades, and I don't intend to close them now. Okay, all right, let's go to another type, the third type. Right, click there, go to market execution again. So let's go to sell limits. So for this one, I think it's going to be easy to say, to understand. Sell limits, you are hoping the market is going to continue dropping, falling. Okay, but you also want to sell at a higher price, and price has already moved down, where you do not, rather it has moved down and you think it is cheaper, and you cannot sell at that price, and you are waiting for price to move higher, then you sell. Don't you think that is realistic? Right, let's see. So what you do, let's go back and go to the chart again. So let's use probably which asset? Let me use the same asset. Even if I can use, you can see all these trades you are seeing here pressed, they are sell limit, which means they are not yet triggered. Let me explain. Let me go to step index. You go to charts, change the asset, you look for step index, which is this one, step index. Right, let's go to daily time frame. Okay, and each candle is representing 1 day. So you can see these are all my sell limit orders. Therefore, okay, 4 sell limit orders. The stop loss is just here. Let me use this one. Okay, let me pick an arrow somewhere like this. Okay, so all these are my sell limit orders. This is the stop loss. Okay, and when you are looking at the chart, you'll be seeing the SL, which means stop loss. Okay? Okay? So this is sell limit. You can see that one. Are we together, guys? So what did I mean? You can see price is still moving up and I want to sell at higher prices. I'm expecting once price reaches this reaches this area, it will automatically activate my orders. So which means I'll be in a sell market. The moment it reverses again, it does like this. Now it is moving up like this. It reaches in this zone and again drops. Guys, I'll be making money. But what if the market disappoints me, continues moving up and hits this stop loss? I'll be in a loss. That's how it works. But one would wonder, like a beginner, why am I putting here the stop loss? So that when price reaches there, I lose. Why can't I leave it? It's a risk management measure that I don't lose much. I'm actually telling the broker to leave. If price goes against me and reaches here, enough is enough. What I have lost, I take that one. And the balance on my capital, I can preserve it. Next time I can place another order and price goes in my direction and I survive. Alright? So that's how sell orders work. Practically, let me do it as well. Okay? Let me do it. Let me press, let me go to minute 1, what is happening within 1 minute. Okay, so assuming I want to sell this market with what we call scalping. Scalping means you are going to enter into a trade within minutes. Within a few minutes and even seconds. That is what I'm going to do. So, you can see, the moment this line is above the current price, then it will be a sell limit. The moment it is past the current price, it will no longer be a sell limit but a buy limit, as I told you. So you can see here it is selling on 1 minute. So for example, let me press it here. I'm hoping that once price reaches here, it activates, it will again drop. Okay. Since price moves in zigzag, that's why we usually use buy limit and sell limit, what you call limit orders, because we know as traders price moves in zigzag. Price will never move in a straight line. I have been mentioning that one. Okay, you can see on 1 minute sellers are stronger, and if I press it here, price may not even come back to that zone like when I'm still on this video. So let me just press it very near around here. I press the stop loss around here. Okay, so let me press it and I see if it will be activated. Oh, you can see if this does not turn blue, rather white, if this does not turn white, you know that it is very near and the leaf will not accept. You are not giving the leaf to take its spread or charges. All right, so let me press it since it has become white. Okay, so you have to wait for that one to change. When I was a beginner, I know how it used to give me headache. So for you have come to understand that one. You make sure that the place word or button turns to or changes the color, not black. So I'm suspicious that it might not give me what I want for now, or when I'm still doing this video, because I can see sellers on a lower time frame on M1. They are very much stronger. This is the pullback I was talking about. Let me hope it is going to activate my order. Wow, P. It was filling this gap. Let me see. It has activated, guys. You see? Now when we come here to M1, you can see it has activated the order. Can you see that? So that's how it works. So the moment it continues moving up, because I was hoping the price is going to continue dropping, the moment it continues moving up, it means it's going against me and I'll be in a loss. But if it continues to drop, falling down as I had expected, guys, I'll be making money. I hope you have understood that one. That was just for illustration purposes. So you can see, let me just go to delete it. Okay, it has already deleted itself because I had pressed a stop loss on M1. Okay, let's go to the fourth type of order we have in Forex trading. Again, you go to this icon here in the top right corner, click there, you go to market execution, then let's go to buy stop. So we are remaining with buy stop and sell stop. So with buy stop, you want to buy, you have realized the market has gone past you, okay, and it is likely not to return to your entry. So what you do, you know, it's like you want to stop someone, and for example, if someone is driving and has already left you, or if it is like a bus, what do? You go ahead of it to stop it. If you are a passenger and you want to, you know, to use a bus, maybe you are traveling, and of course the bus will not come for you. What you do for you, you go to a station or a place where you know it will pass. So that's what we use in a buy stop or a sell stop, so that when it reaches you, when that bus reaches you, it will stop and take you. I think that story is interesting when I read it too. The buy stop and sell stop. So buy stop, now here let's illustrate what I was meaning. So for example, now I have placed it above the current market price. So what I'm going to do, again, click here to change it from sell limit to buy stop, and I click there. You can see it has turned to buy stop. So it means once price reaches there, it will, you know, activate my order. And I will be expecting that as long as price continues to move up, as I will be buying, that's what we call a buy, by the way, or long position, I'll be making money. But if it activates my entry or my buy stop and turns against me, goes down, I'll be in a loss. So you place it above the current market price. So once it reaches there, it will activate it. Then the stop loss is supposed to be below because you are buying. Okay, so that's it. Let me maybe press it near so that it can activate it. I'm on 15 minutes time frame, and you know, 15 minutes it's a bit longer. It may not reach there when I'm still there. So that's it. You make sure that it is above the market price, and if you are using this icon as I told you, this one, make sure that you click here, okay, to turn it to buy stop. These ones are only used when you are using instant market execution, but you cannot use them in limit orders. All right, and you can see if I had remained there, it would have already activated it. So let's go to the last one, which is a sell stop. The sell stop is the reverse. If you want to sell the markets, but you realize price is likely not to come for you, okay? For example, if I were to use a sell limit, the difference between the sell limit is above the current market price, whereas the sell stop is below. And the sell stop, you realize the market is likely not to come for you. Just like the other story of a bus, you realize the bus is not going to come for you. Maybe you are staying in the rural area and the bus normally stops in town. So what you do for you, you stand along the way where it will pass and pick you. Okay, so for example, if I'm hoping that the price will continue dropping, I'll place my sell limit below. Now you can see from what I had told you, if you use this line, it is a buy limit. So to change it, you click here and it will automatically change to sell stop, and the stop loss will be above. Okay, just like this. All right, so I want to wait for this one to be activated as well, but I hope you understand. Okay, the other way to place trades is to copy these figures you are seeing here, what we call pips. And for example, if you want to use a sell limit, maybe you want to enter from here, which means you are going to copy this figure, for example 70.66 as your entry price. So what you do, you go to trade option, go here to the top right corner, and then enter that figure. If it is a sell limit, you go here and place on sell limits, right? Then you place the figures here as your entry price. Then after that, it means you have written the figures in a book. Maybe you have crammed it, that is if your head is sharp. Then go back, and if you have crammed or written them somewhere, enter the stop loss here and you take profit here. So let me go to the chart and I show you what I'm meaning. And for example, if you have entered here, your stop loss should, if you are selling, your stop loss should be above, for example like here. So you copy a figure here. If it is between, you just click on this icon. So once you bring it, it will help you bring it to read the figure. So once I do that, it is going to help me read the figure here as the stop loss. Okay, at the same time you can as well bring it down. That is a stop loss, so you go back the other side. Remember you had input the entry, then you enter the figure you have copied here as a stop loss, then take profit. You also get where you want to take your profit once price reaches there, and that is for example price has reached, you want to exit here by taking profit if you are selling. So again, you can copy this figure here as you take profit, enter it from the other side of TP. Okay, so that's how you do it for a buy limit, sell limit. Okay, and buy stop and sell stop. That is the other third way round. If you like this video and if you find it helpful, kindly subscribe, share the video, like it, and turn on the notification bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Should you wish to open an account with this broker, the link will be there in the description. And should you have any question, kindly leave it in the comment section. I'll be able to answer it. Until next time, peace. Love you.